Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, I'm Ruthie.D.analyst, a tutor, consultant, and a data analyst expert. So today, we'll be talking about the Excel interface. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel. We'll be talking about the Excel interface. So once you open your Excel, this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Excel is a spreadsheet program that allows you to store, organize, and analyze information. So some people think just some part of people that needs to use Excel. No, Excel can be used by anyone. Anybody can learn how to take advantage of this program powerful feature. It is not only used by certain people to access complicated data. No. So whether you are keeping budgets or organizing a training or creating an invoice, Excel makes it easy to work with different types of data. So let's go to our blank workbook to get started. Here's our blank workbook. So this is how our Excel interface looks like. So let's take a tour around this interface. So this is our tabs. This is our tabs where we have file, home, inside. And this tab have ribbons, which consist of groups, different groups. This is a group. This is a group. And some groups have arrows down. That's arrows below the group. This is a group. This is the home tab. These are the groups under the home tab. This is the insert tab. This is the page layout tab, the formula tab. So there are different groups in the ribbon. This is our ribbon. Well, this is our tab. This is the ribbon. This is our formula bar. This is our formula bar. Anything we type in the formula bar will reflect in our cell. This is our name box. Can you see the D5 cell is highlighted? That is why we have D5 on our name box. This is, if I change it, you see G5. If I change it, J2. So these are cells. This is our name box. And anywhere that is highlighted in our cell, the name is going to appear in the name box. So these are columns where we have our letters. The columns are represented by letters, while rows are represented by numbers. So the intersection between this column and the row is our cell, these rectangular boxes. These rectangular boxes are cells. So the intersection between the column, which is the letters, which are represented by the letters, and the row, which are represented by numeric numbers, the intersection of the column and the row are cells. So these are sheets. Below here, we have our sheet. Sheet, you can click the plus sign to add a new sheet. These are sheets. These are sheets. This is our horizontal scroll bar. If you have a lot of data in this worksheet, this is the horizontal scroll bar where you can scroll. And this is our vertical scroll bar. Our vertical scroll bar. So this is our zoom slider. our zoom slider. So once you click and drag, you see the percentage sign increases. So this numbers, it shows the percentage of our zoom slider, slider. Then this is our quick access toolbar. You can customize your quick access toolbar in a case whereby you use a certain formula frequently. So you can easily put it in the quick access toolbar, so you can have use it. You can use it often it will give like a quick access for you to use it. So instead of going to the tab to locate your formula or whatever thing you want to use in the ribbon, instead of going the long way, no matter, even if your tab is highlighted, once you add it to the quick access toolbar, you'll be able to use it, even if you're on another tab. So for you to be able to use this quick access toolbar, you open the quick access toolbar arrow, this arrow here. You see more command. You can add more command. You can add more. When you click on the more command, it brings out this dialog box. So we have different commands here. So in a case whereby you use the 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 fill color more often, you can add it. So once you click on it and you click add, you see that it appears in this other dialog box. So this fill color will appear in our quick access toolbar. So once we click OK, you see the fill color. So once I highlight anything, if I quickly want to use the fill color, once I click on it, you see it fills. Once I click on it, it fills. So that is the advantage of this quick access toolbar. So we have this drop down. This drop down is useful in a case whereby you want only your full screen, that is your worksheet. Once I click on it, you see it displays only our worksheet. It displays only our worksheet. If you want only your tabs, you come to the arrow again and click show tabs only. So it displays only our tabs. The ribbons are out already. It displays only the worksheet and the tabs. So once you want to bring out the ribbon, you click on any of the tabs, then you come down and click always show ribbon. So always show ribbon. So it has brought back our ribbon and our tab and everything to the way it was before. So that is the way you used to navigate. This is to restore down. If you want to make your Excel dialog box smaller, you press that arrow, the restore down. And if you want to close it down, or you just want to minimize it, you use this minus sign to minimize. And to bring it back, you open it and click, so it restores back. So that's that about the Excel interface. So this is the front stage view, the main Excel interface. So for us to access the backstage of the Excel interface, we click on the file. We click on the file. Once we click on the file, we see some list of, we see the new Oppo info, save as, print, share, export, close. See this appears once we access the backstage of the Excel of our Excel interface. So this info tells you information about your workbook. It gives you information about your workbook. So let's go back. I didn't explain worksheet and workbook. Worksheets are this sheet. This is our worksheet. This place is our worksheet. These rectangular boxes are our worksheet where we input data entry, we make use of our formula, functions, and all of that. These are our worksheets. So the combination of all these worksheets now, this file, this folder, once I save it, it's called a workbook. So this workbook comprises of worksheets. So you can have as so many worksheets as you like in this workbook. So this is our worksheet. This is our worksheet. So in this worksheet, this folder, this Excel file is called workbook. So let's go back to our backstage view. So this info tells you the information about your workbook. While save valves help you save your work. If you want to save your work, you use the save. And this save as, if you want to use save as, let's say you have a document and you still want to have that document, but you made changes to that document. So after working on that document, you can click save as to change the name, to save it like a new folder, like a new file. So you will have that new file and also have the old file. So that is the work of the save as. Then print. You print. You can, from the print pan, you can change the print settings and your print workbook. So if you want to use the print, that's for the print. Then for the share, you can share your file with people. You can share your file with people. You can share with people. You can invite people to view and collaborate on your workbook. You can also share your workbook by emails. By emails as an attachment. And share your workbook as email as an attachment. This is the email. Then we have exports. We have the exports. You can export your workbook. If you don't want to export it as an Excel file, you can export it as a PDF file. You can export it as a PDF file. These accounts help you access your Microsoft account information, modify your theme, your background, and sign out from your account. While this option, we have this option, yes, we have more. We have option. This option helps you change Excel option, your settings, your language. So we have general formula. It helps you change how you want it. This language, it helps you change it. So that is about the option. So that is all about the Excel interface. So if you got to the end of this video, please like, share, subscribe. Subscribe for more Excel lectures, because the next video we'll be doing we'll be working on our worksheet. So please subscribe on our channel for more videos.